Keep it slow.
Every morning, we use this paste without a second thought. But have you ever wondered how toothpaste is actually made? Its journey starts far from your bathroom. These are the key ingredients of toothpaste: silica, calcium carbonate, glycerin, sorbitol, fluoride, gum, and mint oil. Let's see where they come from. The main abrasive in toothpaste, silica, comes from sand. Its journey begins in quarries where white sand is mined.
Set the flow rate to 70. Adjusting flow now. Check the powder levels in bin 3.
Sorbitol keeps toothpaste moist and fresh. Surprisingly, it starts in cornfields.
System pressures look stable. Flow rate is right on target. Clear syrup. Affirmative. Proceeding with the hydrogenation process. Copy that. Monitor stage 2.
The glycerin output is stable. Excellent. Let's record the current volume and viscosity. Verified.
Fluoride, which helps protect teeth from decay, is mined underground from a mineral called fluorspar.
Watch out for falling rock. Flow rate looks steady at 500 kilograms per hour. We're on track for the daily quota.
The peppermint is ready.
That's a great harvest.
Looks like a good yield this year.
The thickening agent comes from seaweed, harvested from the ocean. Now, let's head to the factory.
Pallet coming in. Watch the drums. Clear the area, please. Forklift backing up.
Eine den kan man säkert på då, och det sätter jag var näck kan det cao lite kvar. Så det går att komma säkert ju kan jag på att man kan få exam things to have.
Sample appears to be pure. The particulate size is uniform. Good. Mark it as passed and log the result.
Inside the factory, every ingredient is weighed with extreme precision. Even a small mistake can affect the whole batch.
The abrasive ingredients begin going in. Calcium carbonate is fed slowly through the vacuum feeder so it doesn't clump.
Here, the ingredients blend together and slowly turn into the thick white paste we know as toothpaste.
Keep it slow to prevent excessive foaming. Checking temperature now. Just right. Excellent.
After mixing, air bubbles are removed using a vacuum homogenizer, making the paste perfectly smooth.
Pressure is stable. Adjusting flow rate now. Copy that.
Step 2. Checking the pH level. The meter reads 7.0, confirming it's safe.
it's time to make the tube. Plastic pellets are melted and shaped into toothpaste tubes. The tube is printed with its colors, logo, and design, giving it its final identity. Next comes filling. The thick toothpaste is pumped directly into the tube. That blue stripe? A special nozzle adds colored gel alongside the white paste.
Keep it moving, keep it steady. Automated efficiency at its finest.
Slow, a little more to the left, just like that. Got it, easing it in now. Perfect, drop it down, careful. Coming down.
The tube is sealed, packed, and loaded onto trucks for delivery. And that's how a tube of toothpaste completes its journey, from raw materials to your bathroom. If you enjoy the process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.